my dear friends, now I'm gonna show you how to turn a simple scarves into beautiful full dresses, just a couple of minutes. Now take a look at this electric blue scarf. I'll pair it with a gorgeous vintage bandit from Louis Vuitton. There's many ways to tie this scarf.
Actually, I love making dressing since I was a kid, from simple everyday stuff. I learned to do it with no needle or thread. The main thing is to place the fabric right on the body.
Right now, I wanna create a butterfly shade dress. You definitely need to add a belt to the dress. I choose this one. This black belt in a boho style.
I just use a simple pin to fix the belt and hide it inside the dress. And I add this red necklace, it really pops with the blue and adds depth to the look.
Oh my gosh, I didn't expect it turned out so beautiful. I feel like a gorgeous.
The back of the dress looks amazing too. I really love this bold fringe. The look is complete. Tell me in the comments where you would wear it.
I have this soft pink scarf made of natural fabric. I also have a natural gemstone and handmade belt embroidered with beads. A pair of stylish black boots. Now I'll show you what comes of it. So, let's try it on.
I recommend choosing natural fabric. They feel so good in the skin. All you need to do is tie the fabric at the back of the neck.
I wanna add black belts. That's not reason, but kind of. And a pendant. This is wonderful. My boho style dress is finished. What do you think about it?
The delicate pink rose color lifts my spirits, and the boots complete the look. I feel like a fairy in this dress.
The next look will feature in a green color palette in a Glamour Boho style. Here is one way to tie a scarf to look like a top.
I tie the scarf in a knot at the back. To make the fit of your jeans more interesting, you can roll them up. And I am adding a necklace around my waist.
And don't forget about back.
I really love this color combination, and the details really bring the boho glam look to life. I've worn this outfit many times before, and it feels super comfortable.
You can even make beautiful dresses out of this white scarf. I choose this black Japanese style belt. This is really gorgeous fabric. This divine fabric inspired me to create the dress. And all I need to add is only black belt. And gorgeous dress is all ready. It's very simple. The statement platform sandals are perfect match for this outfit.
I love the combination of black and white. It always looks elegant.
This is so wonderful outfit. I think it will be good to wear for a restaurant or for a statement date.
The lace-up sandals add charm to this dress. What style would you say this dress belongs to? And which look did you like best?
I hope you found this video helpful and I look forward to seeing you again. I also have websites and Telegram channel. I invite you. See you soon.